Imagine you are walking through a busy street in a foreign country. People are talking, laughing, asking for directions, ordering food, greeting friends. Everywhere around you, English seems to flow naturally, effortlessly, almost like music. But when someone suddenly speaks directly to you, your mind freezes for a moment. You understand the words, but forming a response feels slow. You know the vocabulary, but retrieving it feels difficult. And even if you speak, your sentences do not sound as smooth or natural as you want. If this sounds familiar, today's practice session is designed exactly for you. Welcome to your English listening and speaking workout, where you will train your ears, your voice, and your confidence through guided shadowing. All you need to do is listen closely, repeat after me, and allow your English to become more fluid, more automatic, and more natural with every minute. Before we begin our shadowing exercises, I want you to settle into a comfortable rhythm. Let your breathing slow. Let your body relax. Think of this session not as studying, but as training, like strengthening a muscle. The more consistently you train, the stronger your speaking and listening skills become. And unlike vocabulary lists or grammar textbooks, shadowing helps you internalize English the way native speakers naturally use it. Tone, speed, pauses, emphasis, emotion, all of these are learned by listening and repeating. So as we move forward, do not worry about perfection. Focus only on clarity, rhythm, and flow. Let's warm up your listening. I will read a short sentence, and your job is to repeat it as closely as possible. Feel the rhythm. Feel the melody. I am ready to practice. I am ready to improve. I am ready to speak English with confidence. Repeat these sentences slowly at first. Shadow them again at a natural pace. Each repetition builds a layer of automaticity. Now let's expand into full sentences and natural expressions. Listen to each line, pause, and repeat after me. I don't need to be perfect. I only need to make progress. When I practice, I get better. When I try, I improve. Every day, I become more confident in English. Every day, speaking feels more natural. These sentences may feel simple, but they serve an important purpose. They train your mouth to move in English patterns. They train your brain to connect meaning with sound instantly. And they build the confidence you need to speak without hesitation. Now, let's shift into a short guided story. As you listen, imagine the details vividly. Visualization strengthens memory and makes shadowing more effective. After each sentence, repeat it aloud, matching my tone and rhythm. This morning, I woke up earlier than usual. The sky was quiet, and the air felt cool. I made myself a cup of tea and sat by the window. Everything outside seemed peaceful. For a few moments, I simply listened to the silence. Shadow the next part with a slightly more smooth, more natural tone. I thought about my goals for the day. I reminded myself that small steps lead to big results. I decided that today would be a day of learning, a day of focus. A day of growth. Now notice something. When you shadow sentences like these, clear, calm, reflective, you train not only your speaking muscles, but your emotional tone as well. English is emotional. We express mood through sound. Try the next lines with more warmth and expression. I am learning because I believe in myself. I am learning because English will open new doors for me. I am learning because my future deserves the effort. Now, take a breath. Let's transition into a conversational dialogue. You will shadow both speakers. This exercise strengthens your ability to switch tone, pace, and attitude quickly, just like in a real conversation. Speaker A. Hey, how's it going today? I'm doing pretty well. I've been practicing my English. Really? How often are you practicing? I try to practice every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Now repeat that exchange, but with more natural flow. Let your voice sound relaxed, not robotic. This is the type of English rhythm you hear in real conversations. Smooth, flowing, unforced. The more you shadow these patterns, the more natural your own speech will become. Let's extend the conversation. Speaker A. That's a great habit. Consistency is everything. I agree. I've noticed that I understand more when I listen regularly. And how about speaking? Let's continue with a reflective monologue. This is excellent shadowing material because it includes emotion, intention, and natural phrasing. Sometimes I feel unsure of my English. Sometimes I hesitate because I'm afraid of making mistakes. But I remind myself that every speaker, even native speakers, makes mistakes. Mistakes are not failures. They are signs that I am learning. When I practice, I improve. When I speak, I grow. When I try, I become more confident. Shadow this with sincerity. Feel the meaning behind the words. Tone matters as much as pronunciation. Let's change the energy slightly. We are moving into a motivational section, where your voice should sound more confident and decisive. I am committed to improving my English. I am committed to speaking more clearly and confidently. I am committed to practicing until English feels natural and automatic. Shadow each line boldly. This is your mindset training. Now imagine you are introducing yourself in English. This is a real-world skill, and shadowing this type of monologue builds fluency. Hello, my name is Malik, and I'm on a journey to master English. I practice listening every day, and I try to speak as much as I can. I enjoy learning new words, but I'm also focusing on natural pronunciation and rhythm. English is important for my personal goals, and I feel more confident every time I practice. Repeat the introduction as if you are speaking to a real person. Feel your confidence rising with each repetition. Let's shift into faster, more natural-sounding lines. These are the kinds of phrases you hear in everyday English conversations. I'm trying to get better every day. I didn't understand everything, but I understood enough. Could you repeat that for me? That sounds interesting. Tell me more. I'm still learning, but I'm getting more comfortable speaking. Shadow these lines with natural speed. Do not rush. Let your voice glide from word to word.
Now we'll practice contrast framing, comparing two ideas to help your brain build faster connections. Before, English felt difficult and confusing. Now, English feels more familiar and less intimidating. Before, I was afraid to speak. Now, I speak with more confidence. Before, I hesitated. Now, I try without overthinking. Shadow each pair. Notice how the contrast sharpens your understanding. We are approaching the final section of this session. As your last exercise, shadow this full monologue from the start to finish. It brings together everything you practiced: rhythm, emotion, clarity, contrast, confidence, and flow. I am proud of the effort I made today. Every minute of listening and shadowing strengthens my skills. I know that progress is not always visible right away, but I trust the process. I trust that consistent practice leads to improvement. I trust that my speaking will become smoother, clearer, and more natural. I remind myself that every speaker starts somewhere, and every expert was once a beginner. I am moving forward one practice session at a time, and that is enough. I will keep listening, repeating, and growing. I will become the English speaker I want to be. Shadow this entire monologue once more with full confidence. And as we close today's session, remember this: English fluency is not a gift reserved for a few. It is a skill developed by anyone who practices consistently. You are training your brain. You are strengthening your voice. You are shaping the future version of yourself who speaks confidently and naturally. Keep going, and your progress will amaze you.